Welcome back. Let's quickly wrap up today's lesson. Now, what did we do? We looked at building plans, floor plans, and elevation plans. We learned the new words, elevation plan. Sorry about that. Elevation plans, it shows the design and dimensions of the outside of a building from a side view. A floor plan, it shows the design and the dimensions of the inside of a building from a top view. The north elevation, it shows the side of the building that is in front of you when you are facing the compass direction north. And a scaled elevation shows you the design and the dimensions of the outside of a building from a side of view which is using a specific scale. The common errors that we tend to make. Number 1, ensure that you are reading the plan from the correct angle. As I said, remember to orientate your plan or your map so that north is showing to the top. Always make sure that north is showing to the top. Make sure that you work in the same units. You can't have meters and centimeters in the same calculation. And just as another tip that I want to give you is always convert first. It is very intricate when it gets to squared meters and even cubic meters when we look at measurements. And then use a proper ruler and a calculator. You need to use a ruler where you can see each and every millimeters. So it's not supposed to be an old one. And then use your calculator. Remember guys, calculators are important and it shows us exactly the answer. Do not think that you are smarter than a calculator. And then a challenge. Draw your own floor map of a house with the following features. It's 3 stories with a spiral staircase, a pool on the 2nd floor, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the 1st floor, a kitchen, a dining room, a lounge and a toilet on the ground floor. And then just remember, please learn from Mr. Mohapi's mistakes. Use a front door and put some windows in the bathroom. And that brings us to the end of another lesson. Thank you for tuning in. Hope to see you again with the next one. Stay blessed. Enjoy your day.